Good evening. My name is Stan Forrester, and these are the directions that we're for the project that we're about to do. Okay, it's just a fun little project. But let's say, for instance, let's see, we take this -8 plus 3. Okay, and we would use our integer operation rules. Okay, so this is addition, so we're good to go right there. But this is a negative, and that's a positive, which means that we subtract these two numbers and we keep the sign of the larger. Now 8 is the larger, so this is going to be negatives. But okay, so again, they're different signs. So this is negative, that's positive. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and we keep the sign of the larger, it's negative. And so let me go ahead and I'm just going to put minus 5 there. So that's minus 5. And let me get okay. So -8 plus 3, we're left with 5. I'm sorry, -5. Okay, and so every place we find on the next sheet, wherever place we find -5, we're going to color that answer purple. So let me. Okay, this is our art sheet here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because, whoops, that's zooming out. Let me zoom in a little bit, okay? And so when I come over here, there's a -5 right here. I can use, if I select purple, it's already selected. I can use the bucket fill. And I can get most of that. And I think there's another one over here. There's a purple there. And then I would maybe erase a little bit and use the bucket fill again. There we go. Come back over here. Erase a little bit. Use the bucket fill. And I want to use the, now this edge here, I don't really like that very much. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to use my line tool. Now, I'm sure that your application has its own set of tools, but MS Paint is pretty intuitive. Almost every system comes with it. And I'm going to move that there so I can still see the black border. And I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to draw a purple line that'll fill in that gap. Right there. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. But right there, okay, so that's, that's now filled in. That's now filled in with purple. Okay, and then we can go around and we can find all the other -5s, like this -5 here. This was -5, by the way. Now you can always go Control Z if you didn't like. No, you would do Control Z if you didn't like that. Use this to just kind of fill things in. Yeah, just like that. Alright, I'll come back over here. There we go. And there, okay, and that one's filled in there. Now you can fill this whole thing in that way if you want. You could use a different art program if you want. You could actually print it out and use colored pencils and take a picture of it when you upload it. But in any case, that's basically all there is to it. Okay, so have fun with that, and good luck on your exam.